Hey guys, welcome to Proven Theory. Alright, today we're going to be doing Chevy cab corners. Here's the thing, this has been done all over the place, but I have never done this before, okay? And I have never ever worked with Bondo, so I want to show you guys some basic skills. You can get it done, you don't have to pay big money. Alright, well, hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like. Alright guys, we got the rusted out cab corner here. You can see it goes all the way in. There's an outer cab corner, there's an inner cab corner. I'm just doing the outer. You see a line there, that's my cut line. It's a lot easier to take your body panel and then shape that and use that to where your line is going to be. And that's what you see me doing right here, okay? All right, and then we'll go on to the grinding. All right, I used the angle grinder and I cut along that silver line, and I also got a wire wheel, and you get the paint off, and what we're looking at right here is the spot welds. You can see how the spot welds will present themselves, and then we're gonna move to the spot weld cutting process. And you got spot welds on the inside also and at the bottom. That's usually 3 circles, and that's what we do. All right, so I got the drill here, and I'm drilling out the spot welds, and you're just breaking through that outer panel, and that allows me to start prying and separating the outer cab corner from the inner cab corner. Just go slow so you don't cut through the inner cab corner also. All right, here you can see the outer cab corner is separated from the inner cab corner. You can see the circles in the outer cab corner. That's where the spot welds were cut out. And as I said, you don't want to go so aggressive that you cut right through the inner cab corner. And that's what you want to end up with right there. And that's what your patch panel that you get from LMC will look like. Here you see all the rust and the nastiness. You just get a wire wheel, clean that up so your welds will stick. And I also sprayed some rust converter on mine so it wouldn't continue to rust. I left that body plug out. All right, edges are cleaned up, bare metal. Patch panel, edges cleaned up, bare metal. Okay, I'm an amateur. I got a butt weld here, and I just kind of tacked it in, stitched it in, and I haven't ground anything down, letting it cool, and I went ahead and finished. You don't want to go too fast or you'll warp it. All right, welds are done. They've been grinded, and for our basic welders out here, you don't want to just lay a weld on top of metal. You want to get the metal to melt together. It's my first time doing this. You can see that these butt welds do have some irregularities after grinding out the welds. And next thing will be the Bondo. And there you are. All right, on this side I use seam sealer. And on the other side I'd use Bondo. And I ended up sanding them both. But I preferred the Bondo over the seam sealer. Okay, this was one application of Bondo. I used my Roll Bar VHT primer paint, and you can still see a little bit of inconsistency, but I ain't worried about it. Proven Theory, there you have it, cab corners. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, like. We're going to be tackling the dual plastic fuel tanks, fuel tank selector valve, the wiring, and the in-tank fuel pumps. All right.